Today we're going to talk about how to balance the iVibration Pro. First thing we need to do is unplug. We'll slide it away from the wall and gently lift it up. Here's an example on the reinforced tubing in the bottom and the chromoly bolts that hold these strong motors in. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to screw in all 5 legs so they're flush with the bottom. Okay, this machine is pretty dirty. That's because it's used every day. It's roughly 1.5 years old. This is my prototype, my version 2. Okay, now what we're going to do is place pressure on the corners opposite each side so we can see which side needs to be unscrewed just a slight bit. Okay, now to balance the 5 legs, you place pressure on the corners, and the side that has the shakiness, where the corner can kind of move up and down, you'll feel it moving. You need to go down to the bottom to that leg and turn it clockwise until it is flush with the ground and it doesn't shake no more. The next thing you do is you turn the plate on and do the exact same thing. You put pressure on a corner and you'll feel the machine that there's room that the leg can come down a little bit more, and you keep doing this until when you press down on the corner you don't feel it moving anymore. Now with carpet it's a little bit more difficult, but the more you use it, the more it packs down on the carpet and the less it shakes. Again, here's an example on putting pressure on the corners, and you're seeing if there's looseness on that corner. So if there is, you need to turn the leg clockwise to bring it down further to the ground so it becomes more balanced. Keep doing this over and over, and eventually it gets stable. The next thing is the main controls. The right side arrows up and down will control the vertical vibration. It goes from 0 to 60. 60 is roughly 45 hertz. The left side controls the oscillation. It's a circular oscillation, so it gives you a circular motion. And this also goes from 1 to 60. Actually 0 to 60. You can turn it off and on, but there's 60 speeds on it. And this machine has 8 millimeters, so it generates a lot of force with the oscillation. Next, we can control the speed of both motors with the up and down arrow on the left-hand side on the bottom. This saves time, so when you're working out, you can just crank both motors up or turn them both down at the same time. The P stands for program. There's 3 programs built in. The programs will vary the speed on the left and right motors so that there's a lot of variation in there. Then we have the timer. You press the T and you can control the workouts from 1 minute to 20 minutes. So it's programmed for 10-minute workouts, but you can get it up to a 20-minute workout or a 1-minute workout. The choice is yours.